Hey animal lovers, welcome to Quiz Heat. Ready to unleash your inner animal detective? Today we're diving into an epic emoji safari. Try to spot the creatures while the clock is ticking. If you're up for it, make sure to hit subscribe for more exciting quizzes, and let's begin. Bravo, it's blue whale. The second one is lion. Seahorse. The answer is pig. Yes, it's a wolf. Swan. Hamster, you nailed it. Panda. Dragonfly. Jellyfish. This is seal. Panther. Of course, it's dolphin. Monkey. It's a badger. No doubt, it's chameleon. And this one is stork. Spider. Of course, it's parrot. Donkey. Grasshopper. Peacock. Chicken. It's definitely bear. Squirrel. Frog. Yes, this is snail. Bulldog. deer. And finally, beagle.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you had a great time on our channel. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this, and see you in the next video.